Okay, katukendelewo Suubi atabokide Shalom nama kembe kambalekele ka video elago inatanda wa kulikinga kano ka video mali sawa kambeleka like kabelenga kasolo ku playinga ilanga
I hear her talking. Even when the TV is on loudspeaker, I can hear her talking to her friends.
Who are her friends? Tell me. Who are Shalom's friends?
Amy, Amir.
They're all girls?
Some girls, some boys. Shalom can talk. Tata, when it's Shalom's 13, when it's her 14th birthday, you'll find girls around her talking like chatterboxes. Talking.
Yeah.
Like
And that's you want
my ears I will still hear her when I'm miles away.
So because
nino omuntu gwe mpulidde ng'ayogera wano ku ssimu ayita mu kkubo wali kirabika agenda kuwasa kati sayidi eri ey'omugole mugambi asindika emitwalo 10 ezireeta omugole ababuuziza nti abayi mbawa emitwalo 10 gyange mba mbeesize ntya mwewule muleeta omugole bwe munaamutuusa nja baddizaawo basajja mwe lwaki temwagala gaba transport ne ku mugole
Yo, bad man and bad mind is two different things. Don't mix the two of them, cause them no match. So remember that. Hello TikTokers, this is Bobi Wine and I'm here with my family. Now this is my very first TikTok. Jagala in a very challenge. Go to Bulira Igwani, Amanya Gabazadebo, Bajaja, Vichitambla, and go Mogana Nevedira. Any hesitation, slowing down, Mazi. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
And start.
Zena magembe Shalom nadunkuma. Tata wange Chagulanyi Sentamu atudde magere mu Kyaddondo. Jajja wange Jackson Wellington Sentamu ebaseka ni Mugomba. Jajja wange Joseph Wayakira Sentamu eyebase chi ekanalemu. Sorry, ekanabulemu. Jajja wange omulala yes Sentamu eyebase actually no.
Yeah.